YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to tear this thing apart. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. As you guys can see, the cleaner has been stripped down to pretty much just the main frame. There are some working parts underneath that we haven't gotten to, but for today's quick fix video, I do want to show you guys how to remove the lift spring or the lift brush actual gear assembly here. There is a third gear that's a part of this assembly that is actually on the main oscillator. So if you guys want to know how to get to all of this internal parts where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the description. We've got videos to walk you guys through tearing this thing apart from the outside in. But once you guys have reached this point, this is one of the last working gears that you're going to remove. Obviously, there are some brushes and stuff on the bottom that we'll get to in future videos. But for now, I just want to show you guys how to remove the other two out of your 3-gear assembly. So you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. You want it to kind of be a smaller screwdriver just because it's kind of hard to get to this little screw. So if you have one of those cute little ones, you can use it. I actually have to use a smaller head, so bear with me. It's a very small screw, and it holds on those gears on their own axle there. This is important to the functionality of the cleaner. Definitely recommend just using a hand tool for this one. Don't try to use any power tools for this. Just because of how tight it is, as well as how brittle the frame can be over time. But right in between in this little crevice, there is a long, small screw. Counterintuitive on that, but it is small, but it is long. So, and it, like I said, it does have its own axle piece here that sits on the frame. It's already got notched out pieces specifically for this reason. So you definitely want to keep the gears together. So if you guys take off that main oscillator or you're taking this off first, just make sure that when you do remove it, that this third gear is a part of it. Again, it's sold as a 3-pack. We have them available on our website. It does come with the little axle, and I know that they do have the axle screw sold separately as well, so you guys can check that out. We've got a full breakdown of all the parts for you guys directly on the cleaner page. So just want to show you guys how to remove this. Again, if debris or if those teeth on those gears have worn over time, it's important to make sure that it works, as it does affect the functionality of this actual lift brush that's located on the bottom. It helps make sure that as this oscillator is functioning and it's helping drive the cam, that it also runs that cycle of the lift brush, so that if for whatever reason this thing gets stuck on your drain or pool toys or whatever it may be that are located in the bottom of the pool, it helps lift the cleaner up to be able to get around that debris and continue cleaning, so that it doesn't just sit there and be stuck on the bottom of your pool floor. So I want to show you guys how to get access to that. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. We've got a few more videos of tearing this thing apart from the outside in. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.